Hello everyone! For this week's platform game development tutorial, I would like to explain how to implement gravity, which is actually somewhat more complicated than simply having the character move straight down, as we must pay attention to the ground and make sure the character does not fall through. However, like with anything in programming, we will start simple and then get concerned about the exact details as we progress. So we would implement the basic mechanism of gravity by checking when you start the program, then have a forever loop to make sure that it repeats constantly. Then change y by a negative amount instead of a positive amount to reflect the fact that the character will go down. We now playtest our prototype to make sure it actually works. And indeed, it does. However, we must now implement some code to check for the platform so that the character does not fall through, as seen. We would do this using a sensing functions like with the key presses, but the sensing function would be different. In particular, it would check if you are touching the color black, as that is what the platform is made out of. So we would make our forever loop that we already made more sophisticated by adding another control block inside it that checks if you are touching the black color, and if you are not, change y by the amount specified, so you would use an if-else. It is generally a good idea when you use touching color to use the eyedropper tool to make your color as precise as possible, so that way the code does not get confused. So now, if the condition is true, we tell it to change the y by 0 or not move vertically. We check to see if it works now. And indeed it does. However, one discrepancy about this is that the jump function no longer works. And this is because we are telling it to change y by a negative amount forever, so it cancels out the jumping as soon as it happens. However, I will not show how to make your code handle that exception until next week, as it requires making it even more complex, and we want to break things in a step-by-step manner.
Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.